Is your PST file corrupted or inaccessible? In this video, we'll show you how the SysInfo PST Repair Tool can repair damaged PST files and recover your Outlook mailbox data with ease. You'll learn how to load a damaged PST file, preview its recoverable data, and save the repaired mailbox in your preferred format. Follow the simple steps to restore emails, contacts, calendars, and other Outlook items safely. The user opens a web browser and types Repair Outlook Data File into the Google search bar. Search results load. The user scrolls down and clicks on the article link titled How to Repair Outlook Data File, PST, in Simplest Ways by SysInfoTools. The SysInfo blog page opens, detailing methods to repair PST files. The user clicks on the PST file recovery link embedded within the summary section. The PST Repair Tool product page opens. The user opens a new browser tab, goes back to Google, and searches directly for PST Repair Tool. The user finds the SysInfo product listing, PST Repair Tool, Recover Corrupt Outlook PST, in the search results, and clicks on it. Click the green Free Download button to get the setup. Launch SysInfoTools PST Recovery. View top toolbar menu. Click Open, hit Choose PST in Explorer, and click Open. Back in the Configuration dialog, Recovery Settings, left at Standard Mode. PST File Details, set to 64-bit version, Unicode. Select PST File Encryption, selected as Compressible Encryption. Options, Auto Detect and Support Non-English Characters are checked. The user clicks OK. Scan finishes with a pop-up. Scanning process completed. Click OK to view recovered items. Expand the recovered inbox folder and select individual emails to view details in the bottom preview pane. The user highlights options in the top control menu bar, including Export and Save. Click Save under Recovery. Name the file Recovery in the Save As dialog and click Save. A pop-up confirms the snapshot is saved successfully. Click OK, then close the application. That's how easily you can repair a corrupted PST file using the SysInfo PST Repair Tool. Recover your important Outlook data and save it securely without losing your mailbox information. Thanks for watching. Try the SysInfo PST Repair Tool today and restore your damaged PST files with ease.